Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to review the UEOFEN Ultrasonic Retainer Cleaner. The UEOFEN Ultrasonic Retainer Cleaner, priced at $42.99 to $56.07, brings professional-grade cleaning into the comfort of your home. Utilizing 45 kHz deep ultrasonic waves, millions of nanoscale bubbles penetrate every traffic of retainers, dentures, aligners, mouth guards, braces, toothbrush heads, and even jewelry, gently removing buildup and stains. Completed by a 254 nanometer UV light, it ensures dental appliances stay fresh, hygienic, and ready for use, whether on its own or alongside cleaning tablets. This cleaner offers dual cleaning modern to suit every need: a 5-minute quick clean for daily maintenance and a 10-minute deep clean with intermittent ultrasonic pulses for stubborn stains. Its spacious 200 milliliter tank accommodates most dental appliances without repositioning, and it operates quietly below 45 decibels, making it ideal for home, office, or travel use. Thoughtful features include a digital countdown timer, side slots for items with handles, and a tweezer for hygienic removal. Made with sustainability in mind, the device incorporates at least 50% recycled materials and safer chemicals, meeting global standards for environmental and worker safety. The 304 stainless steel liner is durable, safe, and reliable, while the sleek design makes it a perfect gift for family and friends. Amazon customers rate this cleaner, highlighting its effectiveness in removing grime and buildup from dental appliances, ease of use, and compact design. Users love how it leaves retainers and mouthguards sparkling clean, though some report occasional durability issues after several months of use. Overall, UEOFEN Ultra Retainer Cleaner offers a convenient, hygienic, and efficient cleaning solutions for anyone looking to maintain dental appliances, combining advanced ultrasonic technology, UV sterilization, and a user-friendly design for consistent superior results. Thank you everyone for watching this video. Hope you get some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe. Goodbye.